Hi, I'm Erin Henley, professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to prevent black from falling onto your eyes. We have our palette and we have our brush. So a lot of times we have our black makeup that we need to be wearing, and the key to preventing all this makeup to falling down and getting under here is this brush right here. So we're going to go in with our makeup and place our brush underneath. This is going to create the barrier, so any makeup that falls down will be caught on the brush and not on the skin. So just close. So we can just do a little bit goes a long way type deal. Pat it on the eyes. And notice that this brush is right up against her eyelashes, so there's no room for it to fall, except onto the bristles of the brush. So we're creating a clean makeup application. There's nothing there. Now we'll go to the other side. And this is a simple look, but you can layer it on as much as you want and it will still fall onto the brush. Every once in a while there will be a piece that sneaks its way through, but that's all right because I'll show you what we'll do. Just going to even out the colors. So if we do see a fleck that falls, this brush, its hairs are thin enough that it can dust off anything that happened to have fallen through the bristles, but not remove the foundation that we applied previously. I'm Erin Henley, and I showed you how to prevent fallout from coming down onto your eyes.